Welcome to this short video where we will show you how you can start being a profitable trader fast with VIP indicators. In this video, you're going to see how profitable VIP indicators are and exactly why you should start using them to help you become a successful trader even if you're a complete beginner to trading. Now let's get right into the video. Many of you who are watching this video are aware that trading is not so simple sometimes, especially with no tools or no guidance, or even if you're completely new to trading, it can feel very difficult. You have to predict the market, you have to know when a market will go up or down, and it takes a lot of effort to know how to predict the market. That is why only a small percentage of people make it to the very top of the trading world and the rest lose. The reality is that it's almost impossible to predict the market without brains alone. All the top 1% of traders use trading tools and not their brains. Now in this video, you're going to see the exact tools you could start using today that will literally predict the market for you automatically every day with no complex manual work and up to 93% accuracy. All these tools are used by the top 1%. Now, since 2015, our team of expert traders with years of knowledge in the trading markets started helping regular people succeed and predict the markets. We've also been providing people around the world with some of the most powerful and profitable trading indicators. We've helped over 100,000 people all around the world become profitable traders with VIP indicators, and we are also the world's biggest trading indicator provider. We created some of the most accurate trading indicators in the world with up to 93% accuracy. That is just a little bit about us. So here are all the different profitable trading indicators that you can get instant access to today with VIP indicators. They automatically find you the best trades to take 24 hours per day. All the indicators are designed to find you the most profitable trading opportunities only. Even if you don't know how to trade or you're completely new, they will show you exactly where to buy, sell, take profit, and everything else. They all work for any trading market. They work on all devices such as phones, laptops, and more. They also work on all time frames, which mean you can find short-term trades or long-term trades. And later on in this video, you'll be seeing how powerful they are, and I'll also be showing you how simple they are to use and how to set them up even for complete beginners, and the setup takes less than 1 minute. Most of the indicators come with trading alerts which alert you on when to buy and sell so you never miss profitable trading opportunities. Having alerts are extremely important for trading success because missing out on profitable opportunities can affect your trading. But with VIP indicators, you'll get alerted whenever a new profitable trading opportunity has been found to your device. Are you new to trading? Don't worry. With VIP indicators, you'll also get an entire education package which will help you become a successful trader with a course and much more. You'll receive many different educational trading videos, trading books, trading strategies, and so much more. The course was created by our expert team of traders and can help you become a successful trader with endless life-changing content. Once you have joined VIP indicators, you'll be able to get access to the entire education trading package. Now, I'm going to quickly show you each indicator that you'll get access to. The VIP Market Scanner Indicator. It's very profitable. It's an extremely accurate trading indicator with an accuracy of more than 93%. This indicator comes with a take profit, stop loss, and shows you when to enter your trades automatically. This indicator also finds you perfect trading opportunities on all markets 24/7. Also, this indicator finds your reversal points and shows you when the market will reverse. The Market Prediction Indicator. It literally predicts a market, the only indicator in the world that can predict any market with very high accuracy. Simply attach this indicator to a trading chart and it will show you exactly where the market is most likely going. This indicator is extremely smart and powerful. It can predict any market with a very high accuracy, and also this indicator is perfect for beginners. All you have to do is simply follow it and profit from it. The Cloud Band Signals Indicator. Find profitable trades 24/7. This indicator will show you buy and sell signal alerts on when to buy and sell. This indicator constantly scans the market, find new areas on where and when the market will reverse. Once the indicator has found the profitable trading opportunity, it will alert you with a buy or sell signal. Using this trading indicator is a great way for you to get into trades early and make much more profit. The support and resistance matrix indicator. It's a special indicator. This indicator automatically draws levels of support and resistance which help you see where the top 1% of traders are buying and selling. With this indicator, you can see the most powerful key levels of where the markets can't break through. Using this indicator will let you see the exact levels that the top 1% of traders are buying and selling. This indicator is extremely important to use because support and resistance is one of the most important things in trading. The Trend Navigator and the VIP Oscillator indicator. Easy and profitable. These two indicators in one look for special reversal areas showing you exactly when it's good to buy or sell. With these indicators attached, you'll be alerted whenever a new buy or sell opportunity has been found. The accuracy of these trading indicators are very high when combined together. All of these indicators that you have seen are very easy to use. Even if you're a complete beginner, you can still use them. It only takes 1 minute to set up and you'll be able to use all of the indicators instantly. You also get step-by-step instructions and support once you've got access. Now, let me quickly show you the indicators in action live. So here we are live on the charts. I'm using TradingView. This is where our indicators work on, and I'm going to show you everything on how to add them and how to use them. So here is a simple way on how you add the indicators. So once you've joined, you'll see an invite only section. So for starters, you click on indicators and then you click invite only and you'll see a list of our indicators. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach the VIP market scanner indicator. So here you can see the VIP market scanner attached to the chart. There's many buy and sell signals, and there's also a take profit, stop loss, and an entry price. This shows you exactly when to enter the trade, when to take profit, and when to place your stop loss. So you can actually see the take profit was hit, which means that whoever took this trade would have been a nice profit. The entry price was right here, take profit here, and the stop loss was right there. And it constantly finds you new trades and it shows you exactly where to take profit. Here are some alerts. So look at this buy alert at the bottom right here. Check out the way the market responds to it. Here's another, the sell alert. Look how the market reacts. It goes all the way to the downside. And again, a buy alert here, all the way to the top. Now imagine you took this trade here and you sold and you took profit all the way down here. You would have made a lot of profits. And this is just an endless cycle. All of these, you can see another buy alert and a sell alert, and the accuracy is very, very high. Here is the market prediction indicator. This is one of our most profitable trading indicators that we actually offer. So how it works is very simple. Past this line right here is the forecast. Here is the current market price. And when you've attached it to your chart, it will actually draw the forecast for where the market is most likely heading. As an example, you can see that it predicts a market will drop at around this level here, and once it drops to this level, it will continue to uprise all the way to the top. And then once it hits this level, it will drop all the way back down and continue to go to the upside. And at the top right here, you can see the trend is bullish, which means that it's a good buy opportunity, and it continues from there. So every time you attach this to your chart, it will always draw and show you where the market is most likely going. Here is the cloud band signals indicator. It's extremely easy to use and it constantly shows you new buy and sell alerts. So here is an example. There's a buy alert right here, the market goes up. Sell alert, the market drops. Sell alert, once again it drops, and then a buy alert here, market continues to go up, and a sell alert, the market drops. It's a very accurate indicator. It constantly looks for reversal zones, so it basically tells you that the market's going to go up beforehand, which allows you to make more profit. It also comes with alerts, so if you click these two buttons right here, you'll then get notified whenever a new trading opportunity or alert has been found. So it means that you'll never miss profitable trading opportunities. Here is the support and resistance matrix indicator. This is one of our most important trading indicators. It shows you exactly where the top 1% of traders are buying and selling at. So the red zones represent the resistance areas and the green zones represent the support. So for example, whenever the market hits a green zone, it's most likely that it will rebound again to the upside. And when the market hits a red zone, it's most likely the market will reverse and drop. So you can see the trend at the moment is bearish, which means that it's good to sell. And you can see that it automatically draws all the most powerful support and resistance zones. So for example, when the market breaks past the support, you can see that it drops all the way back down to the next support level. You can then see when the market breaks, it goes all the way to the next resistance zone, vice versa. So it's a really important indicator and very easy to use. Here is the Trend Navigator indicator attached with the VIP oscillator. This is a 2-in-1 indicator, and I want to show you a very interesting example. So this is actually Bitcoin once again, and you can see there was a sell alert. So right after Bitcoin went skyrocketing, the market dropped, but then this indicator alerted us and said there's a sell signal. Now check this, for the entire year the market went down and it dropped, but this indicator actually told us that it's about to happen, and then it goes back up for the next year, and right at this zone the indicator told us to buy. Check that, for over 1 year Bitcoin went back up. So if you was to have bought here, you would have made a lot of money, all from that buy alert. And then once again, it's told us to sell and it dropped, and it goes on from there. This indicator is really good at predicting market reversals and great buy and sell alerts. You can also attach the alerts to your phone so you never miss any opportunities. All of the trading indicators that I've showed you today have an average accuracy of more than 93%, which means they are very, very profitable. Now, are you ready to get access to everything? So today, you're going to get access to all of this. Here are all the profitable trading indicators you'll get access to with VIP indicators. Plus, you're going to get even more. New to trading, you're going to get the education package. Don't worry, with VIP indicators, you'll also get an entire education package which will help you become a successful trader with a full trading course included and much more. So if you're new, this will be perfect for you. All of this will help you become successful in the trading world. Remember, thousands and thousands of successful traders use VIP indicators to grow their account. Here are the top 5 VIP indicator earners in the last 30 days. You can see the top earner has done over $22,000 in profit. The second top earner, over $21,000. The list goes on. The average profit that VIP members make using VIP indicators is around $2,850 on a weekly average basis, and a daily average profit made by just taking a trade from the indicator is around $390. This is based on what members are making on a daily basis and a weekly basis, a very average profit. And don't forget that even if you're completely new to trading, we will guide you step by step and even show you the same platforms and brokers that we use to take our trades on. Click the button below or visit VIPindicators.com and start today.